Hi, and welcome to British Dad Reacts. My name is John, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of content, then you know what to do. I'm trying to start what I'm calling Smooth Sunday. So I think of Sunday as the day of relaxation, a time to at least carve out some time for yourself just to relax, maybe just contemplate things in general. And for me, it helps to listen to different types of music, just to take my mind and thoughts to a slightly different place. This is a piece by one of the world's greatest piano composers, Chopin. It's a piece called, in general terms, Raindrop, although the official term is Prelude, Opus 28, number 15. If you have the time now, it's about 6.5 minutes long. Just enjoy. It really is a fabulous piece of music, I believe. And it's one I've always enjoyed listening to when I want to just relax, take a few thoughts out of my mind when everything's rolling and your mind is chattering in all directions and you want to just stop the noise, rethink what you're doing, get your focus back. This is one of Chopin's probably most famous works, and it was written while he was staying in Mallorca, in about 1858, I believe. And there's a long story of how it was written and all those various things. Frederick Chopin, and forgive my pronunciation, he was a Polish composer who was born near Warsaw. And he sort of came into his prime years, I guess. Started in his kind of late teens to his 20s during what was known as the Romantic period, which had started towards the end of the 18th century. And his music is of that period, and his teachings were from that period. Most of his work is for solo piano, although he did write other pieces. Prelude in the Romantic period was often just a shortish, self-defined piece with these kind of recurring motifs that you can hear in this piece very, very clearly. There's a lot thought about classical music in terms of, should you listen to it? Should you listen to it? I think if you like it, listen. And if you don't. Some will be good, some will be not to your taste. That's how I see it. It is just music, and it's all music. These composers and Chopin is one of the greatest on the piano. They didn't live very long. He died when he was 39. He'd had ill health for some time. There are various discussions about what were the actual causes of his death. This piece, colloquially known as Raindrop, was used in more modern times in one of the campaigns for a video game called Halo 3. I remember one of my sons playing Halo when he was young. Was also used in the famous Ridley Scott film Prometheus as well. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a sort of a Sunday piece, I think. Something to just switch the brain off for a few minutes and just to try and relax and enjoy the day. Thank you so much.